Welcome to KaiScissors.com. I'm DIY designer Jane Monzures. Today we're talking about the Kai 7000 series scissors. The 7000 series are Kai Scissors' flagship line. They're the sharpest, smoothest, longest lasting scissors. We consider the 7000 series a multi-generational scissor because you'll have them for years to come and pass them down from generation to generation. The 7000 series scissors are used for quilting, sewing, and embroidery. They also have industrial uses for materials like carbon fiber and can be used for sporting activities like fishing. The 7000 series scissors are a high-carbon, hardened stainless steel. The carbon steel allows the edge of the scissors to be made finer, sharper, and stronger. The carbon steel can be resharpened easily and be sharpened several times, giving the scissor an almost new life every time they're sharpened. The Kai 7000 series scissors are for everyone, professionals and the home sewing enthusiast. We want you to have all the best tools for your sewing projects. So for sharp, smooth, fatigue-free cutting, you'll find what you need right here at KaiScissors.com.